In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and very kind, this is Arif Hussain Shah, lecturer in English. Our today's topic is précis writing or precise writing. Précis is a summary. This is totally consists of the points that are studied in comprehension. There are types of comprehension: listening comprehension, reading comprehension, but we are concerned with reading comprehension, how we have to understand given paragraph or text. So précis writing is an exercise in compression. Whenever we are going to read a long or lengthy paragraph, we have to understand in compressed text, in concised text, or precise or summarized text. So this is an exercise that tells us about the précis, concise, to concise or to compress the actual text in few words for the good understanding of that paragraph. Précis is the gist of passage expressed in as few words as possible. We have to compress our text, we have to precise or concise our text in few words for the sake of understanding. Précis should give all essential points so that anyone reading it will be able to understand the idea expressed in the original passage. Précis is totally concerned with our understanding our mental capacity. In précis writing, we have to understand the actual or short meaning of that whole paragraph. Précis writing is different from paraphrasing, because in paraphrasing we use to explain the actual text. For example, we write explanation of poems or stanzas. In that term, we used to explain all exercises that are given in that poem, or explanations that are asked for to understand that poem. In a paraphrase, you should give all the details, you should not leave out any details. But in précis writing, we have to leave irrelevant material. All irrelevant ideas can be left or can be retained in the précis writing, but in paraphrasing we are bound to not retain any kind of the point. A paraphrase will be at least as long as sometimes longer than the original. Paraphrasing can be longer than original because that is the explanation of things or terms and paragraph, but précis writing is not explanation. This is a concised paragraph of actual writing. Précis, on the other hand, must always be shorter than the original. It should express only the main theme, that too as briefly as possible. Famous structure for précis writing is we have to make 1/3 of actual paragraph or actual passage. For example, we are given a paragraph of 90 lines. So we have to compress as in 30 lines to make the good précis of that actual paragraph. So this is well said and worthwhile discussed point, that we have to make summary in 1/3 structure of that actual paragraph. There are no rigid rules regarding the length of a précis, but as a general rule, it should not contain more than 1/3 of the total number of the words in the original passage. There are no rigid, strict rules are not followed. For example, we have a paragraph of 100 lines, and the 1/3 of 100 is I think is 33.3 and something. So we are not bound to do 33.3. If we are writing our précis in 40% of actual topic, that can be a good précis. But if we are writing in 30 lines, the 30% of actual topic, actual paragraph, that can be a good précis. We can say that there are no strict rules to make 1/3, even to make 1/3 of the précis writing. Most people read carelessly and fail to fully comprehend the meaning of the passage. Précis writing forces them to pay attention to what they read, because no one can write a summary of a passage unless they read it carefully. So summarizing teaches one to read with concentration. The actual aim, the actual purpose of making a summary or writing a summary is to understand the actual passage. There are hundreds of readers that can read very fluently but cannot understand at once, at a glance, because they don't have 100% attention or 100% concentration towards the paragraph. They just read out the words, they just pronounce the words. To understand wholly, to understand completely or properly a paragraph or a passage, we have to read out, we have to learn the main points of précis writing, as we can read and as we can understand 100% of the paragraph, and purpose must be cleared. That exercise gives us 100% understanding about the précis writing and about the actual paragraph. Précis writing also improves your overall writing skills, because whenever we are going to understand or comprehend or reading 100% or totally, it polishes our skills, it polishes our speaking skills, it polishes our reading skills, it polishes our other listening and understanding skills. So précis writing gives us improvement in our all skills of language. It teaches you how to express your thoughts clearly. This is the very important point, that if we have to express or we have to explain our topic, our personal opinions and ideas, so what is the great way to tell others our personal opinions in a few words, in an effective way? So this is needed in our life, that how to express our opinions, our personal thoughts to others in very concise way. Précis writing gives us the strength and gives us the way how to express our ideas in very few words. You learn to choose your words carefully and construct your sentences in a logical and concise manner. In précis writing, we learn to choose the words, actual words. For example, we usually use in our describings that there are so many things in our room, in my room, for